What's up, YouTube? It's Brandon, checking in B&B Monuments. We out here today getting it in. I got 2 monuments we gotta put death dates on. Boom, boom. I got another one we gotta do in another county, another city really. Probably about an hour away from here. We in Mount Olive right now. So, let's get it, man. Let's get it. My guys over there working hard, getting it in. Let's get it, man. Hey, yo. We out. G. She ready, man. She ready. Looking good. Now I'm about to start on this one. This one look like it need to be clean, but we'll figure it out. Be alright. Small thing to a giant. We ain't gonna worry about that today. We just worry about getting these dates on here for today. Guys over there working. System already ready to go. Let's get it, man. Got that thing right for you. Check them out. 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 It's Sandblasting 2V. So that paint should stick for about 20 years, 20, 30 years or something like that. You know what I'm saying? My boy all in the way. Check them out. Look at him. Say hey, Lonzo.
Hey, buddy.
There you go. That's the man, the myth, and the legend right there. He taught me how to sandblast back in the day when my leg was broke.